doesn't look like.
Hey, shh. Here, you want to paddle a little bit?
No.
You don't want to paddle some?
I just.
Oh, you don't want him to paddle?
You need a lot of strength, buddy.
It is hard to paddle.
Mommy, I really want to paddle.
Are you having fun? No?
I've never been on a canoe before, and I was really hoping I could paddle.
Yes, I was videoing. Hold on.